Hello photography fans, and welcome back to another LensVid review. Today we're taking a look at the Nitecore Z-type replacement battery for Sony cameras. Let's see what it can do. Nitecore is a manufacturer of LED flashlights, headlamps, batteries, chargers, photo accessories, and even Cine lenses. Their new UFZ100 battery is an innovation on the market. It's a smart battery with short-circuit protection offering USB-C charging through a port built right into the battery. This is a replacement battery for the NP-FZ-100 and it's compatible with Sony's full-frame cameras. It features a status check button with an indicator light. The light changes color for a charge status readout and flashes while charging. The UFZ100 packs 2250 mAh, similar to the original Sony battery. In our tests, we did not notice a decrease in runtime when powering our cameras with the Nitecore battery versus the original one. Having a power indicator on the battery is very practical, especially when you carry a few of these batteries. To check the power, press the button on the back of the battery. The indicator will light up green for 50% charge, blue for under 50% charge, or red to indicate that there's less than 10% charge. Speaking of interesting buttons like the one on this battery, check out the two buttons over here. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Next to the charge indicator, the Nitecore battery features a USB-C port. When charging, the indicator light will flash red. We tested the battery's charge speed through the onboard port with a USB-C charger with power delivery. The battery charged fully in just under 4 hours. The USB port on this battery is a great idea and it will definitely help you out in a pinch. But if you need to charge this battery quicker, we definitely recommend a fast charger. In our tests comparing charge speed, our ISDT NP2 battery charger was significantly faster than the battery's integrated USB port. Nitecore also promises that the smart circuitry in this battery balances the charge cycles to ensure the battery's durability. Time will tell if these confident claims will stand up to real-world use. But if their innovative products are any indication of what they want to accomplish in the future, we'd say that Nitecore is going to grow pretty quickly in the photography market. They already offer lens and sensor cleaning solutions and a pretty powerful pocket-sized blower with an internal battery. Also works well to cool you off. In conclusion, Nitecore products are interesting and well made. This battery is a great alternative for the original, providing just as much power and adding extra features. And that is it for our look at these Nitecore batteries. Go check out the full review on our website at lensvid.com. Subscribe to this channel and come back for more videos. We'll see you in the next one.